Is good, guys. Tyke Plays 18 here. Sorry for the goofy setup. I haven't thought of a game yet. That's the only problem. So what game should I play? Okay. I don't know what to play. Alright, let me just grab my controllers. But for the video, I was thinking like Untangled. But then I was like, no. I was thinking like being a barber again. But then I thought about other stuff, and then I was like, okay, what the hell? Like, it's so hard to find games that are actually fun on VR. Meownet's fun though. That's like a knockoff of Rec Room since UIP Rec Room, it did shut down. So now what? I'm actually going to play I'm Cat in today's video. Oh my god, but that intro was so booty. I don't know how to describe it. Okay. I gotta get up, man. Why was I sitting down? Okay. Wipe off my lenses. Yeah, so this is a very fun video today. Boom, we're playing I Am Cat. Look, I'll do this so you guys are kind of interested in the video. Oh, look, I'm in it now. I know YouTubers don't usually record this part in the video, but we do. I'm gonna show this. This is the real Iron Cat. Oh wait, to the house. I'm really bad at Iron Cat after my last tutorial. Oh my god, I was booty at it. Whew. Okay. Hi, Grandma. Yeah, I'm gonna jump over. Oh god, I hit the wall. Yeah, brain dead. I'm gonna have a concussion after that. As you can see, I'm Cat. And no editing, barely any editing was done to this video. Only adding subtitles and other stuff. So basically, I just want to try to cook a breakfast in today's video. Let's see how this turns out, and hopefully I don't burn the house down or anger Grandma. I want to say something else, but I don't want to get demonetized. Okay, put the pan. Put the I'm not the greatest cook in all history. Jump. Okay, we need the sausages. A good Irish breakfast has sausages. Fellow to my Irish viewers, hello. Comment on my Irish. Do you have sausages in your breakfast? If you do, my man. I love sausages. No. Okay. Oh. Hot. Okay, turn off the oven. I don't want to burn the house down. What? Okay, oven off. Now I just gotta do it, I don't know. Try to do that. Okay. I'm gonna see if does this cat enjoy Irish breakfast? If it doesn't, yeah, I'll do nothing. Oh. Can't let the sausages be Can't let the sausages be. Oh my god, that sounds wrong. Can't let the sausages fall. There we go. Okay. We have sausages. Now open sesame. I never knew that worked. And now, of course, we gotta get some toast as well. It's actually not called toast before anyone says in the comments. Well, that's not toast. That's bread.
Yeah.
Oh, that actually.
Don't me.
Hello, Grandma. Okay, Grandma. Chillin'. Grandma, how I put this toast in? Well, this bread in. god. Oh, perfect. Alright, we got some toast. If that's good, do I just take it out? I never cooked a proper breakfast. Oh. Isn't that a bit more toast? Never mind. But we have a piece of bread, so I think we should get a plate and a... I don't think it really matters. I don't really care. Grandma, are you angry? Grandma? Grandma, don't bring out the frying pan. Self-defense.
Monsieur, you'll be larger for me.
Oh, Grandma. She's so mad about a plate. Oh, God, okay. I guess I could make one plate. I guess I could make one plate in this video. I was planning to make no plates, but that was my fault. Grandma, I'm just making breakfast. What the hell? Why did I do this recorder? What the hell? Grandma, what you watching? But now we have the bread, but toast. Now we gotta cut it up. We cut it up with a knife. Now, as you can see, with this knife. How am I grabbing it? Okay. So now, I'm supposed to be eating my cat food. But then I just wanted to make my own breakfast. So here's my breakfast with toast, sausages. Yeah, that's the end of the video. I don't know what to do now. Thanks for watching. Yeah.